Check out how this guy flattens a slab with his woodworking tools. Here's how to make a chevron pattern from start to finish from a piece of plywood as part of a chevron bar stool build. Here's how to build a nice wooden box with a sliding door. Here is a quick way to make a simple drawer with a circular saw. Using just a few slabs of wood, here's how you can create a really cool wooden structure by yourself if you've got the right tools and know what you're doing. Another reason why wood is so cool, here's how to turn a long slab of wood into a completely normal looking basketball. If you want to create something absolutely beautiful out of a tree, all you need is a strong chainsaw and a little imagination. Building frost-protected stairs is a little tricky, but definitely not impossible. I ask myself how long those stairs are going to last outside, though. Creating a staircase is hard enough, but creating such a complicated staircase seems like a lot of work, especially because of how long it took to cut those wooden pieces. Here's the start to finish video on how to make an 18-inch round charcuterie board. Here's the start to finish video on how to create a secure wooden staircase leading to your attic. Always make sure you're working with a couple of workers though. Can you guess what he'll turn this log into? I bet you won't get it right. A simple yet wonderful robot design. I could stare at this for days. Check out how this guy created a wooden car with such fine detail and precision. Even the wheels look almost real. You might think this is wood wasting, but I think this just spices up your fence and makes it look much more attractive for an outside viewer. Would you be able to take on such a dangerous job? It's actually one of the most high-paying jobs nowadays due to the danger associated with it. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more videos like these.